Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Amy from With Love by Amy, and today is day 4 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar series. Alright, so here we are looking for day number 4, and I'm getting a little bit better at opening these. I didn't need the help of a crochet hook this time, so sweet. But you know what? I'd like to know what kind of adhesive they use inside there, because that was hard to get out of there. I feel like it took me 5 minutes. I had to edit a whole bunch of that out. But this is super cool. I love the dies that have a back panel to them or whatever. So when I saw that it was happy birthday, I knew I needed a birthday card for my son's friend's birthday next weekend. And it's a little girl. So here we go. I'm going to cut this out with some black, I guess it's shiny cardstock. I don't know. It's glossy, black glossy. I don't know where my brain's at this morning. Maybe I'm still sleepy. And then we're going to use this pink glitter cardstock that I have. The glitter is a little bit challenging to get out of an intricate die. I should know this by now, but it took me, I felt like 10 years to weed that little happy birthday sentiment to get it looking the way it's supposed to look. But for your viewing pleasure, I edited most of that out because nobody wants to sit and watch all that. So here we go. I will show you a shortened, glorified version of weeding the glitter cardstock. And then we will glue the words to the back of the little, layer thingamajigger. If anybody knows what that actually is, let me know, because I don't know what it's called. Is it a layer? I don't know. And then we are just going to glue the other word together. And then we're going to glue them to the panel that I already had pre-made. Let me know down in the comments if you have a stash of panels that you've made and you're just waiting for the right occasion or sentiment to pop up to use them, because I love making them, and I have quite the stash of them, as you saw when I was leafing through all of them in the beginning of the video. But for me, it's a lot of fun. So here I am drawing strings on the balloons. I've been trying really hard lately to make sure I kind of like complete things, like make things grounded, make things like balloons and stuff have strings, stuff like that, so it is more realistic looking, I guess. But using the magnetic ruler from the Make Art Station with this was really helpful because it didn't move and stuff when I was drawing this, because I made the strings look like they were behind the sentiment, because of course I didn't think to draw the strings until after I put the sentiment down, so I had to like draw the strings over the sentiment basically and like stop it and start it where the sentiment was. So that's what I did. But the magnetic ruler from the Make Art Station really helped with that, especially that one was flexible, so it really was helpful. Here's the finished product. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and thank you so much for watching, and hope you come back tomorrow for day 5. I really appreciate you liking and subscribing to my channel. It really helps me out. Thank you so much. Have a great day.